Hi guys, welcome back. We're just going to touch on our previous charts. Let's see. Let's just talk about what happened last week, previous week, which was ending of September to the beginning of August. So um we did tap into the level I wanted earlier. So this is the level I wanted. This daily order block. So like I explained in the previous video, I told you guys that I want DSY to be bullish, so that US Swiss franc will be bullish and JPY should be bullish, right? The other currency pairs like Euro, pounds, and AUD should be bearish. So yeah, and I told you guys on the previous video that I'm expecting the turning point to be Tuesday, Wednesday, which Tuesday failed to give us a structure shift, market structure shift. So Thursday, Wednesday did give us something, but then on DSY, it's not clear on DSY, but on other currency pair like US Swiss franc was clear. Like I did give out this signal. I did give out the signal on the inner circle, which I was targeting this high, and yeah, and this was my analysis on Tuesday when we fell into this coming. What was our level? Yes, that fair value gap, the daily fair value gap with which was sitting inside the other block. So yeah, I went down to 1 hour, 5 minutes. I think the trade was given for 5 minutes. I did share the trade on 5 minutes. So then you see we have this sweep of the previous day low, which was Wednesday low, then the displacement to the upside, inverting this FVG, turning this to another block, because when you go to 1 hour, see this becomes another block. You understand? This becomes another block, and it did come back to tap into the FVG right here. But then USGPY, I didn't trade USDPY. I didn't even give a signal USDPY. So followed to Euro. Yeah, I did give a sell on Euro. Yes, I did give a sell on Euro. It was just crazy. My target on Euro was this, and when we took out Tuesday low, I did tell them to take partials on Tuesday low. Then on Thursday, I took a trade on Thursday also, and when the market reversed to this order block again, I took a sell again. Yeah, I left out one is to ratio 3 or so. Now okay, 2. I wasn't 3, just 2. One is to ratio 2, because why did I even do that? I can't remember. I think there was news or something. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the previous week, and that was what day was it? Thursday. What happened on Thursday? There was no news. I thought there was a news. Yeah, that Thursday. So that was it. I was hoping this 4-hour FBG would hold the trade down, but broke it. But then the price, this week price action, this whole week price action was messy messy. You understand? Then on Thursday, messy Thursday, pounds. Yeah, when we were selling EU, right here, when we were selling EU on Wednesday, when we were selling EU after EU turned this up close candle to be another block. We were selling it when EU was somewhere around here, taking out this low. Pounds was moving higher. I'm telling you, I haven't seen that before. I was expecting pounds to do same thing. Like I posted in the inner circle. I told them that somebody should talk to pounds so that pounds respect the price action and start dumping. But then this happened. Why pounds was doing this? I think DSY was also doing this. DSY was doing this then. Just crazy. I don't know. Price action this week was nothing to write home about. But then this dump after this inverted LBG, it was lovely. But I didn't take it. But I did set an alert, but I didn't take it because the whole trade was just funny. I did go into gold. I was more interested in what gold was going to do, so I left currency pair for that. Then yeah, AUD. So on this this coming week, which will be let's say the first full week of October. Monday, no strong impact news on Monday, but then I think US was shut down or something like that. So about an NFP, and there wasn't an NFP news last month, so I don't know. So still holding on to my bias on this see, my alert are still set. Still holding on to my bias on EU. I want EU to be bearish. JPY bullish, definitely. So let's see on the daily time frame. You see, we did respect this FVG. We didn't close below this FVG. You can see the body of the candle. They're all respecting it perfectly. You understand? So yeah. If you check the weekly time frame, you see that this whole week is an inside candle to the previous week, which is the last week of last month or so. Then same as this. And why I'm still holding on to this bias, if you look at this, we still respected this this LVG. So now we have this LVG here. I don't know what the market is going to do. Maybe take out this high before dumping, or the best. So my alert will be here. I'll still be looking for bearish setup, bearish entry points back to back. I don't know if pounds is going to do that. But then let's see the 4-hour time frame and see what we have. close candle, this full candle. I was expecting retest this level and continuation. Like Friday, that was what I was expecting on Friday. Just tap, then continue. Don't, there was no need for all this. But then the market does what it does. We actually we react to the markets. We don't predict it. Yeah. As far as I know, if we keep on respecting this other block, I will still be patient to see what the market is gonna do. I'll be patient to see what the market is gonna do. This DSR right here. So I'll be patient, see what the market is gonna do. See. Daily time frame. Let's see. See, we respected that FBG. You can see all. You can see the weeks. See all these weeks. So I really don't know what this is going to do. Maybe we get maybe we get Monday candle to do something like this. Then Tuesday candle should close up. Or then if Monday candle can take out this low and Tuesday candle becomes a bullish candle to turn this to become another block, then when it will tap into it, we get a continuation to the upside. Yeah, something like that. But then we can still look at the 50% of this, 50% of this week. We haven't tapped into that 50%. So now let's say if that doesn't play out like that, we'll get to see maybe Monday tap into 50% of that week, then we get a displacement to the upside. Let's see for DSY what we have here. DSY tap into that. Okay, DSY did. Okay, interesting. But then it would be more better if you just sweep out that low, like take out that low in parts, then you get. And then we'll call this, let's say, call this previous week low. And take out this. Hold up. Okay, now what I'm saying, close above this would be better, right? This would be better because on average hold price forward time frame, go to 15-minute time frame, look for an entry and continue to the upside. say something like this, then to the upside. But what will be USGP right now? Okay. I don't understand why JPY is acting this way. But then I think I should be looking out for this. Yes. Let me just look at this. I think I should be looking out for this FVG to be inverted. Then maybe pick from there to the upside. So maybe I will wait for the market to do what we want to do. Then maybe go. Maybe I'll be looking for an entry after this FVG has been inverted, so that I don't get trapped in the buy. Then for EU, you also have an FVG that we believe should be inverted also. Then let's look at 4-hour time frame. Okay, now the issue I'm having here is this FVG that has been impacted. This one right here that has been impacted. That's the only issue I'm having on EU. But then so let's see what Monday have for us. That's all I have to say. Just see what Monday is going to do. Then from there we'll pick our direction on what Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday we're going to do. If they did play good, if they do play good price action, then we'll continue with our bias. Still positive about how it's going to turn out because of the previous week, and this week we're going to have a massive volume in the market. You see, previous week on AUD card, no week below. You understand? What about pounds? Pounds is an inside candle. You see, no week below. What about EU? Inside candle. So I believe this week there will be a lot of volume this week. If we did pick this side to be massive, if you are in the trade, then you see up close candle, no week. Up close candle, no week. Same thing as EU, down close candle, no week. Inside candle on US Swiss franc. Then what about the SY? Inside candle. So I'm expecting this week to be a very volatile week. We will expect a lot of volume this week. So that's that for my bias or my analysis and stuff. That's what I have for you guys. And for power for gold and this and US 30, I will post it on Snap or maybe type about it in YouTube, any of that. Yeah, so without anything to do, ciao.